Ooh, I got it on camera too.
It was good.
All right. If you beat.
What
me
about
on this
5
one,
times in a row?
You're the next. You're the champ. You're gonna take the crown.
I don't need the crown. I got the crown right here.
I'm Mini Me, Trina, and Little Kim.
Lil Kim got.
Head and Shoulders Damage Rescue. It rescued my scalp and...
So how you feeling?
Like shit.
And you're still sipping on some OJ with fucking alcohol. Psych.
You'll see vomit.